Rebecca. How are you doing?
Again.
All right, here's us on the picket line. Let's think of. Okay, hey.
Hey, ho, ho! What are we going to do today?
Let's do the Arpy one.
What is
Arpy's gotta go.
Hey, ho, ho! Arpy's gotta go!
Now.
Arpy's got to go. Arpy's got to go. I'm not very good at that.
Okay, we're over here at the A terminal. This is Rebecca, my good buddy. Hello, Los Angeles. We miss you. It's a beautiful day here. It's about what, 65, 70 degrees.
About 12:30.
Oh yeah, money.
We need money.
Money. Woo! Woo! All right, that's it from the A terminal.
Bye!
Bye, everybody. Is your flight red today?
Flight red today.
Woohoo!